Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So this is Saturday today, almost the end of the week, but the news that I'm going to share with you is going to start a season of hope, a season of hard work, a season of achievement for all of you. I'm going to make three important announcements. First one is very good news. SEBI Grade A 2022 notification is going to be out very soon. When? Either in first week of January or maybe before that. So we can expect exam to be somewhere around 10th February to 25th of February. That is the phase 1 exam. And phase 2, add another 30 days between phase 1 and phase 2. Second important announcement, is there going to be any change in the syllabus for SEBI Grade A 2022 journal stream? Not at all. So as per our sources, there is not going to be any change in the syllabus for SEBI Grade A 2022 journal stream exam. Third announcement, what is the impact of this on RBI Grade B notification? Again, I would not say this is impact, but this is something important to know that we can derive, that we can deduce from the information that we have. Since SEBI notification is coming out in January, so RBI notification, which was earlier expected in January, is going to get delayed. So when can RBI notification come now? I think not before SEBI phase 1 is completed, right? So you can be sure that it will not come, say, before 1st of March. So this is additional 2 months that you are getting now. So this is a new lease of life for everybody who wants to be RBI Grade B officer, but they started late or they are not prepared enough. So you have got this extra time and you can utilize this. अब सेबी के लिए क्या करें? See, SEBI के लिए we will start some YouTube sessions to help you all. We will also share a study plan that you can follow for the next 75 days to have a directed and a coordinated preparation. Apart from that, I would tell you to keep it simple. Don't panic. Keep it simple, which might look like stupid at times, but that is what works. हमें हार्ड वर्क नहीं करना है. All we have to do is smart work. And when I say smart work, I'm not asking you to work less. What I'm asking is to go hard on the things that truly matters. We have to prioritize everything. ठीक है? So let's enjoy this weekend, but from Monday onwards, let's try to have our best version out and achieve a government job. Right. So please do let me know by commenting below this video that who amongst you are ready to give your best to achieve your dream job and are ready to work hard, to work smart to achieve your dream job. So have a nice day. I hope this information was useful. Bye-bye.